Listen to me. If you cannot follow my instructions, I'm going to ask you to leave the courtroom.
A courtroom outburst. The man charged in the death of Trooper Thomas Clardy pulled from the court as the case against him comes to a close. David Jagunya is accused of driving while high when he hit and killed Trooper Thomas Clardy on the Mass Pike back in 2016. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Paula Ebben. Kate and Chris are on assignment. Jagunya's outburst came just before lawyers were set to deliver their closing arguments. WBZ's Louisa Moller has been following this story. She's live now outside the court with the latest. Louisa?
Well, Paula, court right now is currently in recess in an absolutely bizarre day in the trial of David Jagunya. As you said, he is the man accused of the manslaughter death of Mass State Police Trooper Thomas Clardy. Closing arguments were set to begin this morning, but never happened because Jagunya had an outburst. He repeatedly apologized to Trooper Clardy's widow, Risa, and criticized his own attorney, all as the defense and judge implored him to stop. Now, prosecutors say Jagunya was high on marijuana when he caused the car crash that killed Trooper Clardy back in 2016. His defense has argued he had a seizure at the time. Jagunya did not mention whether he was high during this morning's rant, but here's some of what he did say.
I just wanted you to know that I'm very sorry, and even with the search warrants and the blood and everything else, being like it's not, he had evidence that the blood wasn't mine. He had evidence that the search warrants were done improperly, that somebody committed prejudice and stuff. And he told me to let it go. I'm afraid for my life because I tried to trust him and I tried to trust them.
And we're going to have him removed from the court.
Now, this is a bench trial, and the judge who will decide Jagunya's fate said she will not consider anything he said this morning because he was not sworn in to testify. We expect it will be at least another hour till we find out how this trial or if this trial will proceed. We're live in Worcester. Louisa Moller, WBZ News.